I would like to start my pitch with three important questions. What can change in your life if Simba has not Mufasa? Or if Rapunzel has not a long, long hair? For sure, it will be a very sad Disney world. But let's move to another real-world question. What can change in your life if you have no possibility to drink except 1 glass of water per day? Can you imagine that? All day, even in the summer, with 1 single glass of water in 24 hours. Well, you probably know that our ability to drink depends on our kidneys. Good kidneys means that we can drink whatever we want, water, beer, wine, whatever. But if we have problem to kidneys, we have to reduce our capability to drink. And in the real world, there is a big problem about kidney health. If we have pain in a leg, in a foot, difficult to walk, and so on, we go to a doctor, and then the doctor makes us a checkup. It's called angiography. And to see our vessels, doctors use iodine. But iodine, it is a poison to our kidneys. So we literally drink a poison. So if we do not the checkup, it's risky because of our pain. But if we do the checkup, it's risky because of the iodine. Today, iodine is the biggest cause of renal failure in the world for patients. And people with renal failure go to dialysis, and then life depends on a machine because they lose the ability to drink. It's not easy, because many other problems. Today, 4 million people have zero quality of life because of iodine. Like Mark, like Joanne, like Philip, and also like Jack. This could be the story of each one of us. But let's move to another question. What if we can save your kidneys? So the good news is that there is a best friend contrast agent for kidneys. Carbon dioxide is natural and makes good images like this one. It's also hard to manage because it's a gas, compressible, invisible. But we're working on that, and here we go. We developed the first automatic injector for the use of CO2 in angiography. It's simple, digital, and safe. With Angiodroid technology, the carbon dioxide becomes the standard of care in angiography, and doctors can use it without any kidney damage to the patients. CO2 comes directly from the injector to our vessels, and with the X-ray system, we can obtain all the images we want without any kidney problems. That's it, the Angiodroid magic. We are the first on the market. We are partnered with big companies, and Medical Society in Europe recommended our technology. We have obtained the CE mark and more than 30 other international certifications, and we also found a scientific academy of automated CO2 angiography. And more than 35 papers have been published with evidence on savings of hospitalizations, kidney problems, and costs for the entire healthcare system. Today, we are present from Sydney to Buenos Aires in 52 countries, and we carry on our technology with so much care. We are reaching 550 hospitals, mostly in Europe, demonstrating the social value of our technology. And we are saving more than 60,000 patients, ensuring them a kidney-friendly solution. How to do that? We have a classic B2B business model, so we sell both capital equipment and disposable products to our distributors, so we also have recurrent revenues on business. But we spend most of the time make medical teams fall in love with Angiodroid. Our target is to reach every operating room in 10 years and to reach every people that every year has to perform an angiography. So what if we can actually reach those people? We are scaling our impact in 2 ways. First, in Europe. Second, opening new region. With the Go Direct sales business model, we reach directly doctors and make the magic. It's more efficient, convenient, and the number of patients that we can reach is dramatically bigger. We want to expand this model throughout Europe, and in order to do that, we need to expand our team to reach an impact growth rate of 60% per year. In the meantime, we are approaching the 2 largest countries in the world. This year, we will close the certification process in the US, and next year, we will start our journey also in China. So, on one hand, we will be extremely good in Europe, and on the other hand, we will start an action to reach millions of people every year. We have a self-sustainable business model, as the company is profitable since 2017, so we can fund our activities on our revenues. We are here today to scale up our impact. We are looking for grants and a new round of investment, and with the IB prize, we will be able to reach 90,000 more patients only in Europe in 2022. And believe me, we do our best to make this dream come true. And like everyone here, we have the best thing possible in terms of experience and so on. But in the end, we know that Angiodroid is a family who truly know that we can make the difference. So join our project and thank you.